what's going on at Trevina's house.
Max, go over there and say trick or treat.
You go over there?
Go, Max, keep going. Keep going. Go on up the stairs. Oh. What do you say, Max?
Come on up, Max.
What do you say?
Come on up, Max.
Say trick or treat.
It's we've been practicing so much.
Say trick or treat.
Moment.
Say trick or treat.
You sure are cute.
Thank you.
Say trick or treat, Mark.
Trick or treat.
You say trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
Oh.
No.